Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Jagdish sir and Uday sir with us. Hello sir, how are you?
Good. What about you?
I'm good, thanks for asking sir. Sir, please let us know about your company.
Okay. So we are Amrut Energy Private Limited based out of Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So we are a manufacturer of solar pumps, solar modules and solar street lights. Right? So we have a complete range of solutions of solar pumping and solar street light solutions. Yeah.
So sir, currently what products are you displaying at RE?
Currently, we are display here solar module, solar pump, and solar street light.
So sir, is there any upcoming project or product that you are launching?
Yes. So we have DC series of solar pump which will be supplied in PM Kusum scheme from ranging 1 HP to 15 HP. And we are launching our mono panels which will be coming in the end of this year. Yes.
So sir, what are your plans about expansion and distribution?
See, we have already scattered our market in domestic. We have around 15 warehouses across India, and we are doing now export also. We have done with all the African countries, Asian countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. We are doing expos domestic as well as in export market. Last year we did in Nairobi, Kenya. This time we are doing in Dubai next month. Yeah.
So sir, according to you, which states or regions are most promising for you in 2023?
Basically, we are doing business in pan India. Our mostly revenue generated from south and northeast. Apart from this, we are also doing business in UP and Rajasthan, Bihar also.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being with us.